All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges in Chennai for the 2026 admissions, you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Tagore Engineering College, and its TNEA code is 1420. Let's find out what this college is all about. So let's kick things off with a really powerful story. It tells you a lot about an institution's culture. An alumna from Tagore Engineering College became only the fourth woman in the entire history of the National Police Academy to command the passing out parade. That's a huge deal. And that alumna is Miss D.V. Kiran Shruthi, an IPS officer. And listen to this, she didn't just command the parade, she also won the Prime Minister's baton and the Home Minister's revolver. Now, these aren't just any awards, they're the absolute highest honors an IPS probationer can get, naming her the best all-round officer in her entire batch. Okay, so keeping that incredible standard in mind, let's get into the academic side of things. What's the foundation that helps build people like that? We're going to look at the courses you can study and who's actually doing the teaching. So here are the essentials. Tagore Engineering College is a self-financing institution, and it's been around since 1996. It's affiliated to Anna University, so you know you're getting their standardized curriculum and exams. You'll find it on the Vandalur Kalambakam main road in Chennai. Admissions, they happen through TNEA counseling with a 65-35 split between the government and management quotas. So what are your options here? Well, the college offers a pretty solid lineup of engineering programs. You've got your core branches like computer science, ECE, and mechanical. But what's really interesting is their focus on newer fields like artificial intelligence and data science, and even cybersecurity. That tells you they're keeping a close eye on where the industry is heading. And who's going to be teaching you all this? The college has a total of 254 teaching faculty members. That number gives you a good sense of the size and scale of the academic team that's here for the students. Now let's dig into their qualifications a bit. About 20% of the faculty already have their PhDs, and on top of that, another 27% are currently pursuing their PhDs. So what does that mean? It means almost half the faculty either have or are actively working towards the highest academic qualification in their field. That's a strong number. All right, let's talk about official recognition. For parents especially, these stamps of approval, these verifiable standards, they're what give you confidence in the quality of an institution. First off, the college has its AICTE approval, which is a must-have. But here's the big one. 3 of its key programs, that's computer science, electronics and communication, and IT, are all accredited by the NBA, the National Board of Accreditation. And this isn't old news. The accreditation is valid all the way until June 2027. That is a really strong indicator of quality that companies definitely notice. And now for the question that's on every single student's and parent's mind. What about a job at the end of all this? Let's take a look at the placements and the career pathways that open up from here. Let's get straight to the numbers. The college states an average package of 3.5 lakhs per annum. This figure is super important, right? It helps you measure the potential return on your investment in education. So who's doing the hiring? Well, you see all the big names from the IT services world. Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, you name it. It's also really good to see a core engineering company like Hyundai on the list. That points to a good mix of opportunities, whether you're in software or in a core engineering branch. College is about more than just what happens in the classroom. The day-to-day experience matters a lot. So let's look at the practical side of things, like the hostel and transport facilities. For students who will be staying on campus, the college has separate, permanent hostels for both boys and girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg food, so there are options for everyone. Now, if you're commuting, the college has its own fleet of buses that cover different routes across Chennai. And if you're taking the train, the nearest station is Vandalur, which is about 7 kilometers away. So let's circle back to where we began, to that idea of achievement. You see, the story about Miss Kiran Shruthi, it's not a one-off. It seems to be part of a larger pattern of producing people who go on to become leaders. And this list really shows you the variety of that success. Of course, there's the civil services, but look at this. You have alumni in top technical and management roles all over the world. A technical head at Hexagon, a head of solution design for DHL in Singapore, a general manager at a major engineering firm, a country manager in Saudi Arabia. This isn't just one path to success, it's many. And as we wrap up, just a quick note, all the information we've shared today has been compiled from the college's official website and trusted government portals, and it's current as of March 2026. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.